Now, regardless of what type of fireplace you have or what type of fuel you use in that fireplace, it's very important to use a fireplace safely and also provide all of the maintenance that's necessary for a fireplace. Now, that starts with an annual visit by a certified chimney sweep. Now, we caught up with a chimney sweep recently to talk about what's involved in that cleaning and inspection process.
Well, hiring the correct person who has the proper certifications and credentials to perform the inspection is the most important part of having the fireplace inspected. The individual should be certified by the Chimney Safety Institute of America, or in my situation, I'm certified by the Chimney Safety Institute of America. I'm also fire certified, which is Fireplace Investigation, Research, and Education. Fire inspector is familiar with the various levels of inspection that's required during a chimney inspection. There are various levels that are outlined by the National Fire Protection Association as levels 1, 2, and 3. In this particular situation, we're going to be performing a level 2 inspection because the homeowner had recently purchased the property and the history of the fireplace is unknown and there was no inspection ever performed before. If there's a level of creosote of approximately 1/4 inch or greater, I would recommend that the fireplace be swept to remove the deposits.
After your fireplace is nice and clean, there's a number of other safety tips to keep in mind. Now, if you have any branches that have grown over your chimney chase, they need to be trimmed back to a safe distance. Also, if there's any place that a bird can get down inside your chimney, you need to screen that off or put some type of wire to prevent that from happening, because they can build a nest that can create a fire hazard. Another thing, make sure you have some type of fire screen to prevent any embers from jumping out into your living room, and don't overload your fireplace. It's a lot of fun to feed logs into a burning fire, but if you get too many logs in there, they can easily roll out onto your carpet.